Fix Bluestacks ran into a hiccup and couldn't launch error 2025 fixed. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Bluestacks ran into a hiccup and couldn't launch error in 2025. So first of all, you can use this method. You can just close your Bluestacks and also check on open your task manager, and you have to check if any background Bluestacks app is running or not, and you just have to click on end task from there. And after that you can just go to the official Bluestacks website and reinstall the game. It might fix the problem of you, and you can also see that Bluestack 5 is not opening, or your encounter error codes such as this error code 1101, 2001, 2004, and for that you can restart your system to resolve the temporary glitches. You can enable virtualization to enhance performance and stability. You can check that your PC meets the minimum system requirements. You can increase CPU cores and RAM allocation to boost performance. You can also update GPU drivers, install pending Windows updates, and scan the repair corrupt files. And you can also configure your antivirus correctly, as it may be interfering with Bluestacks. You can also free up RAM by closing unnecessary applications from the task manager, and you can also repair Bluestacks if prompt for minor repairs. You can click on repair now and to resolve the issue. So that's it for the video. That's how you can fix Bluestacks not opening problem, and that's the solution. And let me know in the comment section if this method works with you or not. And that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.